Hello, everybody. Spirit says we've laid solid foundations for ourselves and they are watching over us. We've been disappointment in some affairs, but we've worked through those confusions and we're waiting for our ships to come in. Someone we know is undependable and insincere, but we've detached from that negativity. There's good things coming your way, there's love coming your way, and you must be open to infinite possibilities. Trust the magic of the universe. Carry on doing what you're passionate about. Yes, we had to defend ourselves because financial stability is important to us. We have had to part ways with people and situations in our lives, and we tried out different things, and we're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel. There is wealth coming your way, and it's coming in fast with love from your angels. You're a goal orientated person and your cup is overflowing with love. Be loyal to what you love. You've triumphed over troubles and obstacles, and they say love heals fear. Someone that is trying to come between you and something you want, but your magical abilities are growing and you're using them wisely. You've over using it to overcome obstacles. You are stable at the moment and you're moving forward positive and confident in your own truth. And your loved ones say you're a wise soul and it's time for emotional healing. It is safe for you to let go of old pain. I love you all very much. Have a wonderful day.